Right now, we want to sort of pivot a little bit and talk about the big story of the day happening outside, the weather. Jeff, I know we've been talking about this. We know a winter storm is coming, but snow. How about that? What's the possibility of that happening?
Because now you're 14 and under, right? Because everybody just all say snow. Did someone say snow?
Exactly.
This is where the snow is going on right now. This is the storm that's building out to the west. Will eventually head our way, and you can see how Amarillo is getting a good snow. We got pictures out of Amarillo showing that 3 to 4 inches that has fallen here across the day. And very cold conditions, by the way. Here we started in the 60s, then that cold front came through in the morning hours and temperatures just fell to the low 40s, and now they're in the mid 40s with brisk winds, and the ceilings have lifted a little bit. No problems this evening if you want to get out and make any errands. The roads will be fine. There's not even any rain around right now. But after midnight is when the problems start. And they're going to first start in our western counties. That's where there's a winter storm warning that starts at midnight, goes all the way to Wednesday, 6 p.m. Now in blue here for half of the Metroplex, the western half, including Tarrant County, Denton County, Parker, and Wise, that's under a winter weather advisory for the same time period, starting at midnight and going until Wednesday afternoon late. Now, this is where we think we might have an accumulating snow mixed in with sleet. 2 to 3 inches could end up on the roads, bridges, overpasses, making for hazardous travel out to the west of the Metroplex. But where you see in blue here where the advisory is, this is going to be mostly freezing rain and sleet. Up to 1 inch of snow is possible mixed in with sleet, but that's probably going to be just on that western edge of this area in blue and not in Tarrant County. I think the morning commute will be the worst time for bridges and overpasses where they get that sleet sludge kind of stuff sticking to the roads because it's falling down hard enough. This is at 4:30 in the morning. FUTURECAST showing, yeah, it's bad out to the west from Jack County, out in Young and Stevens County. But across the metro area, it's a cold rain with some sleet going on that early. But that changes over, especially in Tarrant County, to a combination of sleet, maybe even a little snow in the mix, but mostly just the rain and sleet falling in the morning commute, making for bridges and overpasses a problem. Most of this starts to pull away in the afternoon, so the worst of it will be in the morning. Though don't be surprised to see a little bit of snow coming across as we close the evening. You can see FUTURECAST showing that there won't be much accumulation with that, but still going on in the air. Now, the winter weather potential here, again, is for 2 to 3 inches of sleet and snow. So needless to say, that translates to significant road problems, and that picks up around Bridgeport, Mineral Wells, and even up to Gainesville, almost to the 35 corridor. But when we look right inside the Metroplex, with Tarrant County getting the worst of it, rain mixed with sleet for the morning commute. There could be some accumulation on bridges and overpasses, possibly even on the west side of the Metroplex, because it would be falling so heavy. So keep that in mind when you're trying to get around tomorrow morning. By the way, from Corsicana, Tyler, out in the Palestine, we're expecting just a sleet and snow mix in the afternoon and minimal problems. Here's another thing I want you to think about. Where this stuff doesn't wick away during the course of the afternoon, the roads don't go dry, they stay wet in some areas, or because of draining, there is some water building up on the road. All that freezes by Thursday morning. So we could have some significant ice problems by Thursday morning because of the precipitation that falls tomorrow. You can see how things really improve, by the way. We go into the weekend, temperatures in the 60s on Friday, in the upper 50s on Saturday. All right.